Hello YouTube, this is the on-foot review for the White Widow Dunk Mid. Shall we go watch? Let's do it! Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and I hope you enjoyed that on-foot look at the Nike SB Dunk White Widow. I'd nearly forgotten what the shoe was then. It's an amazing shoe. There's not really a lot to say about it. I'm kind of lost for words right now. It's before work. I don't usually film at this time. We're normally at the end of the day. Stunning shoe, amazing suede. Not the shaggiest suede, even though I said it was before. I think that there was a shoe from maybe 5-6 years ago that has a shaggier suede. Try saying that very quickly. But it is still an exquisite shoe. I haven't worn it yet out in the street. I'm kind of nervous too, just because it is such a great shoe. I will be spraying these within an inch of their life. One thing to call out, one of our subscribers, Anthony, called out that potentially the stitching elements that are meant to represent the spider's web in the laces, we think are actually 3M. So I will test them out under the light and maybe call that out on the stream on Sunday. And the stream, if you haven't joined us before, is at 12 p.m. West Coast, that's 3 p.m. on the Eastern, and if you are in the UK, that is 8 p.m. And if you haven't subscribed by now and you'd like to, and that's your thing, you can do that down here roughly. And if you're wondering why YouTube isn't actually giving you notifications on when we're uploading, probably because you haven't hit the notification bell. If you want to do that, that's there as well. That would be particularly awesome. So until next time, people, when we'll be unboxing and on-feeting many other shoes, we'll see you in the next video. See ya, bye.